Today's Bible verse comes from Proverbs chapter 16, verse 3, King James Version. Commit thy words unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. Proverbs 16:3 means you should trust God with your plans and actions, placing your complete faith in Him rather than relying solely on your own abilities and ambitions. And when you do, He will make your plans succeed by guiding them in alignment with His will. It emphasizes that success comes from seeking and following God's guidance, not just from human effort. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, commit your work to the Lord. This calls for actively entrusting all your deeds, decisions, and efforts to God through prayer and surrendering your will to His. Number 2, and your plans will be established. This is God's promise that when you align your actions and aspirations with His divine wisdom, your plans will ultimately be successful and laid on a firm foundation. In essence, it's a reminder to, number 1, rely on God's sovereignty. Acknowledge that God has ultimate authority and knowledge over all things. Number 2, act in faith. Don't just try to achieve your goals through your own power, but seek God's guidance and trust Him to direct your path. And number 3, find true success. Understand that true success comes from aligning your plans with God's will, not just from personal ambition. Amen.